up, you guys? This is me, Manahil Reis, and maybe you know me, maybe you don't. So this is the first ever vlog that I'm doing of my life, and today is a very special day because I am doing 3 new things in my life that I haven't done in a while, or I haven't done ever. So this is the first thing, that I am making a YouTube vlog. Yeah, this is weird. I am not used to talk to a camera, but yeah. So this is the first new thing that I am doing. The second new thing that I am doing in a very long time is that I'm going out for the first time in this quarantine. Yes. So yes, finally I'm going out after a long time, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm very happy. I woke up at 11 because of the excitement. And the third thing is, it's a little bit embarrassing because I haven't done cycling. मैंने कभी लाइफ में साइकिलिंग नहीं की है, and this is the first time that I am going on cycling. I'm gonna ride a bike. I don't know how. My friends might teach me, but I don't know how, and I'm not supposed to tell you yet. So let's see what it's gonna be like and what will happen. So let's go. Let's get ready. Because मैं ऐसे तो नहीं जा सकती. तो let's get ready and we'll see क्या होता है. Bye.
An eternity later.
ये तो हम तैयार हो गए हैं. ठीक है जी, अच्छे भी लग रहे हैं. तो now I'm gonna wait for my friends. They are on their way, and then I'm gonna go to a friend's house and we're gonna have some chillings, have some fun, and then I'm gonna go to have cycling in the evening. So let's go and have some fun. Bye. We are finally out, and now we are searching for the bikes that we cannot find right now, but हम ढूंढ लेंगे इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्दी. मेरे साथ मेरे बहुत सारे नमूने हैं जिनकी शक्ल मैं नहीं अभी दिखा सकती क्योंकि मुझे फ्लिप करना नहीं आता. I don't know how to flip, and right now I'm wearing a mask. और बाहर जाते हुए I promise कि मैंने ग्लास भी पहने, क्योंकि अभी बहुत गर्मी हो रही है तो मैं पहन नहीं सकती, जो बात है. तो अभी चलता है, बाइक ढूंढते हैं और फिर कुछ करते हैं. वीडियो चल रही है तो नहीं आ रहा.
You serious?
Finally, we are riding the bike and we are almost on the beach. कितने किलोमीटर हमने चला लिया?
No.
But it was a lot, and it was my first time, but I was pretty good. Am I?
You were.
But then I got hurt eventually. So yeah. And we're almost there. The weather is beautiful. So beautiful.
चन चढ़िया फिर अज बलिए कोठे उत्ते आसां उड़ चलिए अद्धी अद्धी रात है पैंदी बरसात है तेरे नाल करनी मैं दिल वाली बात है चल बलिए उड़ चलिए चन तकदा तेरे वल बलिए दिल वाली राह उत्ते चल चलिए अद्धी अद्धी रात है पैंदी बरसात है तेरे नाल करनी मैं ऐसी कोई बात है चल बलिए उड़ चलिए चंद तक.
I just wanna leave right now, you care less about rainbows. Tripping out of my mind, got me hallucinating in your face. I want you creaming while you wanna play, just slip and slide. Roll your eyes up, hit it to the sky. And now I hit it in my room, 'cause that shit smell like only you. When you roll your eyes up, hit it to the sky.
चन चढ़िया फिर अज बलिए कोठे उत्ते आसां उड़ चलीए अद्धी अद्धी रात पैंदी बरसात तेरे नाल करनी मैं दिल वाली बात चल बलिए उड़ चलिए चन्न तकदा तेरे वल बलिए दिल वाली रात चल चलिए अद्धी अद्धी रात पैंदी बरसात तेरे नाल करनी मैं ऐसी कोई बात चल बलिए उड़ चलिए चंद तक
नहीं दिया यार Finally we are done with cycling and it was a hectic. We had almost like 12-13 kilometers and it was my first time and I'm pretty happy about it because I ended up good, but कुछ injuries हुई है मेरी बहुत बुरी, but it was fun. It was really fun. The weather was beautiful and now we are hungry, very hungry, and we are at all the way to Khadda market to have our favorite food, which is finally the second day. It was a very tiring day. I swear it was a very tiring day. रात को मेरी हिम्मत नहीं हुई कि मैं वापसी आके व्लॉग कर सकूं. I just went to the bath, had a good shower, and I slept. My eyes is right now is very heavy because हम लोग बहुत चिल्लाए, हमने सब किया, हमने बहुत अपडेट. मैं सारा कुछ तो व्लॉग नहीं कर पाई. I have skipped a lot of good things because this was my first vlog and I had no idea how to do it, how to make it, when to make it. So, and it was pretty embarrassing for me as well for the first time, to be honest. But this was the time that I felt like yes, मुझे ये करना चाहिए था. अब मुझे याद आ रहा है कि यार I should have captured that moment as well. But it's okay. We will have more of these moments, Rose. So we will capture it. Now I'm gonna be a little more serious and a little bit more constant about this. And it was a very nice day. But the thing is that you need to take care of yourself as well. With all the fun, with all the adventures that you do, you need to take care of yourself as well. And for that, you need to have the mask and everything. I was not in contact with any of my friends. We were not close to each other. We just cycled enough, but we didn't like hugged each other or really shook hands because it was a very long time कि हम लोग उसके बाद अब मिले. तो थोड़ा मुश्किल था, ऐसा नहीं था कि बहुत आसान था, लेकिन it went good. It went good. It was nice. So what I want you to do is take care of yourself and have all the fun in your life, because we don't know if it's gonna stop, if this whole thing is gonna stop or not. I'm not saying go out and have fun with your friend. Just be with everyone, your family, your friends, and enjoy every bit of it. Either at your home playing some nice board games, either with your friends on Zoom call, Skype, anywhere. Just enjoy the life you have right now. And I'm gonna meet you in my next vlog, and I hope it's gonna be soon. So take care, bye bye, and I'll miss you guys. Bye.
काली काली रात च गड्डी कड्डिए हथ तेरा फड़ के भी गिर लाइए तू हिरिए नी मैं रांझा एक वारी कह दे मैं तेरी आसी दुनिया नू भुल जाइए